Welcome back to Data Analysis with Power BI. Today we'll be going into a little bit of data visualization. So we'll be importing our data from our system, then we move it into Power Query to see. While we wait for it to load, now we have walked through some of the features of Power Query subsequently. Here you select the data, then you could say transform, and once you click on transform, it brings you to Power Query. Now I want to confirm the various data types. I would scroll down while looking at the symbols before the name of each column to see if they have the right data type. Now I keep going till I get to the end. Okay, it has the right data type. So now I want to push it into Power BI. All I have to do is say close and apply. Once I close and apply, it begins to load and establish some connection between the Power Query and the Power BI. Now you wait for it to load. Now my data set has been loaded into my Power BI. Now here I would go over it. We'll be working on our canvas. Don't forget that. And I told us the other time that this is the report view or the canvas. So now if I come into the data view, I will be able to see my data as it is on the table, on the Excel sheet, as we have seen in Power Query. Then if we go into relationship, there is nothing here, but we'll be dealing with that in subsequent videos. Now this is the table view, this is the data view, this is the relationship or model view. Now this is the canvas view. Now in the field pane, now this is where our data is located. We would like to do some basic visuals, such as we want to see what are the most top 5 selling city, top 5 top 5 top 5 selling cities, and bottom last selling cities, and could also do some other basic visuals. So stay tuned as we move into that very soon. Thank you. We'll continue in the next video.